and in today's video I want to share with you a product review. The product that I'm going to be reviewing for you today is the Method Daily Granite Cleaner. It says it cleans and polishes. This one is the orange tangerine scent, but I wanted to let you know that if there is a product that you are wanting to try but don't really want to spend the money on it yet, then let me know in the comments below. I will get it, I will review it for you, and I will post a video letting you know what I think. So, starting with this is the cleaner that I use for our kitchen countertops, our bathroom countertops, and the fireplace surround. Our kitchen counters are quartz, bathroom counters are marble, and our fireplace surround is granite. And so this says that it is for granite, marble, and stone. It is surface safe, non-toxic, and plant-based. A couple of pros about this product is that it does smell really good. The other one that I had was apple orchard scent, and that smelled even better than this one. But when I went to go buy it again, they didn't have it, so I had to get this one. This one is actually pretty good too. And the way that I use it is you spray it, and then you kind of go with a damp cloth over it, and then a dry microfiber cloth, which I will show you how I do it. So a con about this product is that I went on this website called ewg.org. I forget what it stands for, but it's about like environmental cleaning products and how it compares to others, and they give you like an A to F rating for the product on how it affects your health and the environment. And this, the apple orchard scent, got a C, and that was kind of disappointing because, you know, looking at everything that they have on the bottle, I would assume that it would be better than that. So that I did not really like. Some effects based on the ingredients were allergies, and I think one of them was like cancer. It's like scary stuff, but it's not proven. It's just it's a concern in that category based on the ingredients that they put in here. So that was kind of off-putting. So this runs $5.99 a bottle, and I got this one I got at Target, I believe. And you can purchase them online through Target or Amazon, so it is a little bit on the pricey side. But I've had this bottle for quite a while, and I use it, you know, on all our countertops pretty much every day. I did find a really simple and easy alternative to cleaning your counters if you don't want to use sprays like this. If you want to just use a simple ingredient that you have at home, and it's warm water and a couple of drops of dish soap. In my next product review video, I'm going to share with you a couple of dish soaps that have the A rating, and that way everything will be good to go in your home. Let's head on into the kitchen, and I will show you how I use this product and how you could use the dish soap alternative to clean your countertops. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to take this glass here and put a couple drops of dish soap in it, and then I'm going to fill this up with some warm water. So I have two microfiber cloths here. I will show you the difference between both the Method cleaner and the dish soap and see what that looks like. It might be kind of hard to tell on my counter, but we're gonna go ahead and try it anyway. So for the Daily Granite, see if I can get it to focus. I'm going to spray it down. A part of this microfiber cloth is damp, and so I'm going to wipe it. First with the damp side, and then with the dry side, I'm going to go back and just dry it. And oh my, every time I use that, it comes out so smooth and nice and shiny. Can't really tell in the video though, which sucks. So that is this side. Cover that up. And then on this side, I'm going to, let's see if I can move this over. Here is my this is my dishwashing soap with water. I'm just gonna dunk that in there, kind of wring it out. And wipe this side. And then use the dry area and just dry it. And so this side feels a little bit wet still. Let me just try it one more time. I think it's because it was soapy liquid. So they both, this side actually feels a little bit smoother. It could just be me, but they both feel like clean. So there you go. There is a quick demo of the Daily Granite Cleaner versus the dish soap. And I will say that, I mean, given the option, the dish soap, I only put 2 drops with the water. So that's a lot cheaper than going with the granite because I didn't have to spray a couple spritzes. So a couple drops and then it's ready to go. So stay tuned for the next product review, which will be dish soap. If you thought this product review was helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you next time.